Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you must knows of physics. This is going to be the part 1. So in today's lesson we are going to learn the basic definitions which you must know for acing your physics tests. So let's begin. First, what is physics? Physics is the science that governs the universe. So this is the basic definition of physics. Physics is the science that governs the universe. Generally, we use physics for identifying different events happening in the universe, example, planets moving, you walking, or anything like that. Now, let's continue. Next is, why do we need physics? Let's take an example. Imagine this is you. You look pretty good. This is your basketball. You want to throw this basketball into this hoop. For this, you need to know the height, you need to know how much energy you need to apply, how much force you need to apply. Hence, we need physics. Moving on. Now, we need to know what is matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Examples of matter would be basketball, like the past example, and you. There are different types of matter. Types of matter. Or you could or you could say states of matter. States of matter. There are mainly three states of matter. It's solid, liquid, and gas. Solids are like those that occupy, uh, those that can't flow, or we can say that they are hard. Liquids can flow and aren't so hard. Gases, you can't even see them. Most of them you cannot be observed, and the least hard. So these are the three states of matters, and examples of them could be solids. Examples of solids are gonna be basketball, Liquid is obviously water, and gas is gonna be anything like air around you or oxygen, for being precise. That are the three states of matter. Moving on, our next topic is going to be what is energy. Energy is the capacity or the ability to do work. Examples are like you throwing a basketball. For you to throw a basketball, you need to use energy, obviously, right? That's the simple definition of energy. What is force? A push or pull applied on an object is called force. Obviously, example is going to be throwing basketball again. Those who know, you know, but these are just the basic definitions of physics. Please mind subscribing if you want more videos, because I'm going to upload some advanced physics and I'm going to also start maths. You could comment if you want any videos on some specific topics. I could help you. And if you have any doubts, you can put your social media down like Discord or anything. I'll be ready to answer your doubts via that. Now moving on, there are now let's see what is motion. The change in position of an object with respect to time. To time is called motion. Example, if you're going to a road trip to Alaska or something, or any place, Hawaii. I mean, I don't think you will need to do a road trip for Hawaii, but if you're going anywhere, you're obviously changing positions, like from your house to the school. With respect to time, yeah, you take time to move, right? So this is what motion is. And there are many types of motion. First type of motion is linear motion. Motion that occurs in a straight line is called linear motion. Examples of linear motion could be you walking in a straight path or in the road. And the second type of motion is circular motion. Motion that occurs in a circular path is called circular motion. Example, Earth orbiting Sun or Moon orbiting Earth. Or in a simpler way, it could be a car going in a roundabout. motion that occurs in a circular path. The third type of motion is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. The to and fro motion of an object. Examples would be a pendulum. This is how a pendulum is structured. It has a base, it has a string, and it has a bob or a ball or anything. It moves to and fro. So it goes back and forth, and it stops once its energy is over. So this is an example of oscillatory motion. The fourth type of motion would be periodic. So sorry. Yeah, the fourth type of motion would be periodic motion. Oh my god. Periodic motion. Motion that occurs in an equal and same time period. Examples would be you going to school every morning. Like if your school starts at 8:30 a.m., you wake up and go to school at 8:30 a.m. every day. So that is a periodic motion. So you go on. So tomorrow you would go to 8:30 a.m. Day after tomorrow also you would go to it. Or another simple example is the movement of the minute hand or the hour hand in the clock. It moves in a specific period of time. And last but not the least, random motion. An unpredictable motion. Or example, you are playing football. This is a court. You start from here, you go here, you go here, you go here, you go randomly. This is random motion. And I forgot to tell you there are two main types of motion. These are uniform and non-uniform motion. First of all, what is uniform motion? Uniform motion is a type of motion that occurs in same speed and time. Example, a car moving at 60 kilometers per hour speed in the same path or something. Yeah, in the same path. And non-uniform would just be the opposite of it, which is basically we can take that it goes in varying speeds. It goes in varying speeds, meaning different speeds. It keeps changing. It isn't 60 kilometers per hour every single time. It could be 30, it could be 31 kilometers per hour. Example would be your car moving during traffic. A traffic jam. So yeah, for today these are the basic definitions that you learned. And I want you to comment what I can teach you in the next video. Like, you can give me suggestions, or if you have any other doubts, I can explain you. Just tag my name and put your social media or anything that you can contact me through. And the next video is gonna be about basic definitions of physics part 2. So see you guys. I'll meet you soon. The next video will be coming in 2 to 3 days, so don't worry. Make sure to like and subscribe. That gives me motivation.